English Reading by Phonics Part 5 CVC Words for Short O. Odd Family. Hot, dot, cot, pot, not, got, bought. Ob family. Cob, knob, job, rob, mob. Og family. Log, fog, dog, frog. Op family. Top, cop, mop, pop, hop, shop. Ox family. Ox, box, fox, pox. Odd family. Nod, god, cord, odd, pod.